Ladies and gentlemen, please receive my warm and personal greetings. Standing before you is Lucky Lucas Numalo. I'm currently doing my final year courses in BSc Hydrology and Atmospheric Science. The reason why I'm standing and doing this video is because I want to advise students around the world to come and do atmospheric science in University of Zululand, more especially Kwazulu-Natal. And the topics that I'm going to cover, or the subtopics that I'm going to cover is atmospheric science, sea surface temperatures, geology, ecology, rainfall, and culture. Let's go straight to sea surface temperatures. Kwazulu-Natal is bordering by the sea surface temperatures of 27 degrees Celsius found in the warm Agalas current, usually called warm Mozambique current. In these sea surface temperatures, they make more moisture evident in the atmosphere, and this moisture is then swept by the subtropical highs, which swap moisture inward shore inland, bringing more rainfall into KwaZulu-Natal. Places that are on east side of KwaZulu-Natal, like Richards Bay, they experience an all-year rainfall, but places further north in KwaZulu-Natal, they receive the summer rainfall. Moving to the second point, the geology. The geology of KwaZulu-Natal, we having Vryheid, having coal mines. These coal mines, they mine coal, but then most of the mines that were located in Vryheid, they were closed due to the fact that the resources were depleted, and they needed to observe resources for future generations, of which is coal, for rehabilitation process to take place. We're having mines in Richards Bay also as well, and mines in Mpangeni. One mine in Mpangeni, that is mining sand, of which is now Tronox. And the other mines in Richards Bay, like Hillside, Smelter, those mines, they mine zinc and zircon and iron. These mines, they mine this using the geology of KwaZulu-Natal as well. Then they provide jobs to the people, and people, they have better health, and also they have better standards of living. Such industries such as Mondi is having forestry, and this forest is depending mostly on the geology and ecology and sea surface temperatures of KwaZulu-Natal, as they are using shokum tree, of which is grown up until the maximum of 10 years. And these shokum trees are used to make paper. Moving along to looking at the temperature of KwaZulu-Natal. KwaZulu-Natal is having very warm temperatures that are affected by these sea surface temperatures, which are averaging 27 degrees Celsius. I will also go further look at the culture of KwaZulu-Natal. KwaZulu-Natal is having a very broad and rich, diverse culture, whereby 11 official languages are spoken in KwaZulu-Natal, and they are mostly dominated by the Zulu-speaking people. Ever since the province itself is called KwaZulu-Natal. It is called KwaZulu-Natal. Why? Because we're having more Zulu people that are dominating the province. And in this province, the language that is mostly used, that is commonly used, is English and Zulu, and other cultures are also updated as well. Well, the culture of KwaZulu-Natal is mostly dominated by Zulus. Well, we'll go straight to the culture that is mainly done by the king, the majesty, King Kitweni Zulu, the king of the Zulus. This king usually do the reed dance once a year, whereby all of the young girls will come carrying reeds to the king with an intention of being chosen to become one of the king's wife. Well, in our days, the king is no longer choosing a wife, but this is usually done in order to stop the spread of HIV and AIDS and to fight the spread of the HIV and AIDS. In conclusion, I would love to say that KZN is a very rich place when it comes to sea surface temperatures, because people can go and swim in winter, because sea surface temperatures are averaging 27 degrees Celsius. And this helps us a lot to have more rainfall, and the vegetation is always green. You can see when you're driving from Gauteng coming to KwaZulu-Natal, you'll see it starts to become green. It starts to change no matter what season it is, but KZN is always green, and it's good. My conclusion, please come and do atmospheric science in KwaZulu-Natal, the University of Zululand. I thank you.